Welcome to Skilltree's NeoLoad Bootcamp. In this comprehensive course, you will learn performance testing with NeoLoad through hands-on practice and real-world scenarios. Here is a glimpse of what you will learn in NeoLoad. Under Design module, create complex test scripts, learn different kinds of correlations, manage variables through variable managers, create and explore different kinds of variables, implement validations through assertions, explore flag requests or filter requests, work with search and replace. All of these concepts are explored by creating a separate individual scripts, create different kinds of population with different settings, create different monitors, machines with customized performance counters, with runtime module, execute scenarios with various policies and test types, create separate scenarios. These scenarios are for duration policies, creating separate scenarios for load variation policies, including custom, and learn configurations for different kinds of performance testing types like load test, stress test, endurance, and so on. Under results module, analyze reports, apply SLAs, and derive actionable items. Multiple executions are executed, as you can see, with different policies, different types, different policies like load variation policy, duration policy, start policy, stop policies. All of them are practically explored. Learn about results manager, explore all these various options and filters, generate a standard report, comparison report, and this course offers a complete end-to-end learning from developing scripts under design module, creating populations, creating monitors and connectors, creating and configuring different kinds of scenarios with different policies, and executing these tests, analyze these tests under results module, work with results manager, learn all the different options under results manager, apply SLAs. With over 80% practical content, you will gain the skills to tackle real performance testing challenges. Get ready to elevate your NeoLoad expertise. Should you have a question, feel free to ask away using question and answers section. Happy learning. Check description for the course offerings. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp us at the given number or in the given email address.